Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Square Online for selling alongside Shopify. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Square Online for selling alongside Shopify, you will first need to log into your Square account. Once logged in, navigate to the Square Online section in your dashboard. If you do not have a Square Online store yet, click on the option to create one. Follow the prompts to set up your Square Online store, including entering your business details. Next, head over to your Shopify account and log in. From your Shopify dashboard, go to the Apps section. In the Apps section, click on Visit Shopify App Store. Search for Square in the App Store search bar. Locate the Square app for Shopify and click on it. Click on the Add App button to install the Square integration. Follow the instructions to connect your Square account with Shopify. You may need to log into your Square account again to authorize the connection. Once connected, choose your Square Online store as the selling location. Make sure to sync your product inventory between Square and Shopify. To do this, go to the inventory settings in both platforms. Ensure that products listed in Square are also available in Shopify. Test the integration by adding a product in Shopify and confirming it appears in Square Online. Adjust any settings related to payment processing or shipping in either platform as needed. Finally, confirm that your new setup is functioning correctly by completing a test purchase. Your Square Online store is now activated and ready for selling alongside your Shopify store. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.